Welcome to my first art painting lesson for beginners. We are gonna make 4 different small minimalistic paintings. And we will try art supplies together. We will need watercolor paper, small sizes, watercolor, acrylic colors, color pencils and markers, acrylic paint markers if you have. If you don't, it's okay without. And pastels. I used oil. And some small pen. And brushes. 2 synthetic and 1 with dove hair. And of course water. So first will be wet on wet technique. We'll put water on paper. Let paper a little bit soak it water. We will put water into color and just put it into that place where is water. Just like this, and let's leave it to dry. Next will be different color. We're making first layer, so making light. I'm putting some drops because it's very experimental art, so you can do whatever, or you can follow me. So this will be yellow one, and I'm making with acrylic color. I wanted to show that if that color is transparent, so you can actually use like aquarelle. It depends how much water you will put. So third one, choose blue. All will be different, with different moods and different compositions. And this one is just first layer. All of them we will leave to dry. You can use same technique, wet on wet or dry. On dry paper, just to put aquarelle. Like this green will be cold green. I just put a lot of water into watercolor and put it straight on paper. Some oval shape, form. Doesn't matter what kind of form. So, leave it dry for 30 minutes and then we will come back for second layer. It should be dry. And now I will put another orange. It will be also with minimalistic colors, to use more same colors, like different oranges, different blues. It will be easier to control. So I add on top. When it will dry, we will see both layers visible, shining through first layer. And the yellow, it's another yellow. Maybe it's a little bit into orange, but actually I just wanted to make a difference because that acrylic is quite not transparent, so this one I'm making transparent and darker. It's kind of ochre color. You can try to put lighter yellow or some more into red, or just follow me. This first layer, it's don't mean a lot. Everything will change. We just need some background. And more lighter it is, it's just better. For blue, I will take another blue. You know that we have a lot of different blues. So just make sure it's different. Or it can be same but stronger or lighter. Voila. And the last one. Let's take another green. If we have cold, so maybe it can be warm green. And try to put on that first layer. Little bit out and little bit Sometimes I'm drawing on the air to imagine what it would be. And why not to put some drops, because you can put or not. It's like, depends how messy you wanna make it or just clear. I like massive, sorry. So just like this. And again, let's leave it to dry. And let's go to third layer. And now we will make some strokes with green dark pencil. Green and red are two opposite colors. And those two spots are very blurry. And these are clear, strong strokes, so I think it's enough of difference. And to have even more different oranges with different structure, I took the pencil and I made also strokes, but they are wavy because we have straight strokes, so now we need something different. I'm just trying to explain some kind of steps, how to go, what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be some combinations of different things, but at the same time similar or opposite. And now I want to have even one more different stroke. So this one is strong color, but not green but red, and also wavy, but with big waves. So how do you think? Is it looks alright? Well, I got idea that we can have even more greens. So it's about same green like marker, but some spot, flat spot of dark green. And what's about some first plan with pastel color? And pastel color always makes white. So if you will mix the same color with white, you will have pastel. And it really looks cool in the front. It brings you, that color goes into front. Yellow, by the way, change the water. It's really important. I prepared some opposite color to yellow, and it's violet. But before that, I will put some third layer as a brush strokes, and these ones are really curly and really wavy, some round color circles. Just wanted to show that you can do with marker so many things, so many different strokes. And this is a acrylic paint marker, which is really awesome because you can draw actually on whatever kind of surface if it's dry. And this like pastel one, but it's not pastel one, but it's not transparent color, so we can cover everything and nothing will be visible through. So it's kind of also goes to the first plan. For next time we can try to make opposite, to make a background that's strong color somewhere. Maybe it could be also interesting. So, and also I wanted to make with marker acrylic, but I don't have. Maybe you also don't have, so make it just with brush. Some violet lines. And I actually not satisfied with that line, so I'm mixing some different color. I want colder. And as we know, or maybe we don't know, but cold is blue and warm is yellow or green. So if it goes more into blue or more into yellow or red, so it's like blue it's cold, red is warm. Yeah. I will left some messages about these color combinations and warmness and coldness. And this one It's for me actually the best combination of colors. It's green and pink. So I'm just putting again the marker lines with following the shape of green. And to have a different sizes of brushes to feel the proportion better. So I'm putting even smaller strokes, short and small. And I'm adding also on the color that it would be visible the layers. That is actually third one. That it would be visible. This I put it completely accidentally. I just wanted to mix some pink color, but by putting white, I just got it. Yeah, why not to put white? And actually, I think it looks cool. But I'm staying with the same idea to put some pink. And also, I would like to say that try to make different also borders or shapes. If one is kind of accident, how it color run around. So maybe with acrylic color, white, some kind of plastic baby pink color, try to make very straight, precisely flat. Just to make it different, because it's abstractions, minimalistic, so it's like minimal difference beauty. And this is also pink, again pink, but it's really different, and it even has visible strokes, visible texture of stroke. And I'm pretty happy about this one. I'm thinking to leave it how it is. Show what you have. So in our blue one, third layer, of course it will be more together, because some things are drying faster. Like you can draw with marker and immediately you can put something on top. So, and about this one, I'm thinking that it could be kind of ocean, and I wanted to mix that ocean color more. So I put white and I wanted to put green one, but somehow I just decided why not straight on picture, on that original paper for picture. So I put it looks cool, and I wanted maybe to make it bigger. So I took the dry brush with the top hair without any water and just spread it everywhere. And it shouldn't be like, as I told, like with that pink one, I made very precisely, but this I made very messy, because I'm planning to make precisely one, so they will look different together. Again, I'm drawing in the air to imagine how it will look if it will be in that place. So leave it dry, because color is wet. And last touches. I have a white pastel. Maybe you have also. Try it. On the dry surface, it's drawing nicely. And also we don't have some pastelic orange color. We have pastelic green, but orange not. So we will make later. Now we make some strong place with pink color, red one actually. Very into red. I need a lot, so I'm putting actually straight, because I'm not planning to mix it. And what's cool about it is that it's a very dark, but it's still transparent, and you can see how it shines through that green strokes. And now I will mix that orange pastel color. And what we need for orange, if you don't have orange, you need red and yellow. And if you want pastelic, so put white. Decide which place you would like to have it. just put it. Be brave. Put it where you want. Big or small, or even more than one. Or just follow me and next time create your own composition. And this one already dried, yellow one. I'm changing water and I'm thinking to have some big place of different color and to cover places which I don't like, which I'm not satisfied with those strokes actually. With that violet strokes, I'm not so like it. I think it's too fat. So I'm just wanted to fix this one. And what's about some ochre or skin color, big places on, and that background will just shine through. I just now got an idea, maybe it could be some kind of cheese. Through dots, it's like microscope. Through microscope you can look into blue cheese. And I really like blue cheese. And the last strokes with oil pastel. You can make which one color you want. And this one I forget to record, so I just wanna tell that I made strokes with orange pencil, marker, sorry, and oil pastel, or also orange. And this one is done. And with blue one, actually it's my favorite. I will make some strokes with dark blue. And why not red? I think if you have just a little bit of different color, it will fit. It should fit. This one is semi-transparent. It's written on every color. Is it transparent or not? Or just semi? And I wanted to make some covered place. But by making, I made some accident beauty, so it's like from the side goes water color and it looks very like watercolor, but still it's different color than our background watercolor, so I just put somewhere else. If you have tissue, so you can little bit play with that, it soaks water. So here we go, we have our final pictures. If you want, show me what you have, what you got. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. And stay tuned if you want another video, another painting lesson. Thank you for watching and bye!